So we are doing Take It and Make It projects at the Champaign County Library for adults starting in August. And this month we're doing a couple different projects, but I wanted to show you a quick little video on how I made the boxes that I used to put some of the supplies in. So in the Imagine Lab we have the Cricut machines. We have Cricut Explore Air 2 and a Cricut Maker. This is the little box that I made. And what you see on the screen is the file that was used to make that box. So this is a free file available through Cricut. I downloaded it into my Cricut design space. I did shrink it down just a little bit so I could use the paper that I have available. And I'm going to use the Explore Air 2 because it will score the paper and cut the paper all in one time. I don't have to change any of the parts of the machine. So if you're not familiar with Cricut, you may not understand what all I'm talking about, but stop in the Imagine Lab and you can see how this works. Once it's done cutting, you take it off the mat, then you've got your box all ready to make. It has scored the parts that you need to bend, so to cut them clear through, it just put a little crease in there so you know where to bend it at. Go ahead and bend all of those. And then you can be a little bit more careful about putting it together, but then you just put it together. We'll add some glue. And then you've got your little box.